Sunday morning, 9:30, and it suddenly got windy. There's Tina. She doesn't like the wind. This has come out of nowhere. As far as I know, it wasn't forecast. When I last looked through the weather forecast, there was no sign of particularly strong winds. Wow. I see it's bushed open a couple of my safety pins that hold the door up. Most unexpected. Hey babe. Tina's okay. Tina's okay. Daddy's okay. Yeah. I don't know, folks. What do you make of that? Just come on all of a sudden. Oh, I can hear things blowing over. I don't know what to make of this. I'll have to check the weather app. Give me a second. Okay. As you can see, nice sunny day. It's already 21 degrees. It's going to rise to 26 and be a nice sunny day, which is good because I need the power. I'm down to 60% on my phone. Is it 60%? I can't quite read. 60 something, 62 maybe, I can't. But no rain forecast. The winds are light at 18. This feels like a lot more. I mean, okay, they're due to peak there at 24, but this already feels a lot higher than that. Okay, folks. Yeah, so there we go. It's already, I mean, this is much stronger wind than that forecast says. And look at my door, more and more of the safety pins are just popping open. Not great, and my doggy darling isn't enjoying it. It's okay, babe. Tina's okay. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know what to make of it. I hope it dies down soon. Later.